Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix if WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger and Emo microphone not working on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Before going to the video, if you want to get the Cydia app without jailbreak in iOS device, then please check the link in description and you will get the Cydia app. Let's go to the video. The first and basic thing that we have to check the microphone is enable or disable. For that we have to go to setting, then we have to go to privacy and tap microphone. We are not able to enable the microphone for these application and Messenger as well. How to enable microphone? Go to setting, tap screen time, scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, scroll down and tap microphone, tap allow changes and enable microphone for your applications. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.